Peace be upon you, dear children. The intense heat leads to a lack of water availability for humans, birds, and animals. Meet Dayam Yasir. We should designate a specific place for birds and animals to access water. This will help them find relief from the heat. How it works? By designating areas, birds and animals can easily find water, providing them comfort during this hot weather. Children can help by setting up water bowls and ensuring they are filled regularly. This initiative promotes kindness and teaches responsibility towards all living beings. Providing water helps sustain life during extreme heat. It offers relief to thirsty animals, supports local wildlife, and encourages community involvement. Children learn the value of caring for others and earn rewards for their good deeds. This initiative fosters compassion, creating a better environment for all. What our children say. Are you ready to help? Act now to support this initiative.